Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you are going to log out of your Amazon account on your Android or iOS device. So firstly, open up your Amazon application, then click at the three-line icon at the bottom right corner, then click on accounts. So if you go through all the settings, you won't be finding a logout button in the application itself, because in the official Amazon application there is no logout button. But what you can do is just simply go to your phone settings, then search apps, then click on the column which is called apps, then click on manage apps. It might be different on some devices, but the main process is same. What you have to do is just go to your application setting, and after you are inside the settings, just click on clear data. First clear cache, then clear all data. Now if you go back to your Amazon account, you will find that you have been successfully logged out of your Amazon account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.